Hello, guys. Welcome to Infinity Greedy. So, today we are gonna learn everything about bubble sort. So, basically, bubble sort works by repeatedly swapping the adjacent elements if they are in a wrong order. For example, if there is 18 and there is 27 here, so here the swapping won't happen because 18 is less than 27. But suppose the next adjacent element to 27 is 18, 27, and suppose we have 15. Then 18 is greater than 15. So 18 and 15 will be swapped. Get it? Suppose we have an array that is 34, 25, 12, 22, 90, 11, and 64. So which is the highest element here? 90. The one iteration, 90 will come at the last of the array, means at the nth position. Get it? At the seventh position. Similarly, after each iteration, the highest element is placed in its order. So this is how bubble sort works. Now I'm going to show you pass by pass everything that happens. Like I'm talking about. I'm going to also show you the code of it. So be ready. So let me share your my screen. Let me take my window down. So now my code will ask you how many elements you want in an array. So suppose I say I want 8 elements. Now I will tell which elements. Now suppose I want 34, I want 22, I want 17, I want 11, I want 64, I want 19, I want 88. So now after I press this enter, it will show us pass by pass what happens and after it. No, I guess 56, 60. These are the elements. See, I will show you. Wait. See, I will also show you the code first, then you will understand better. See, this is my code for the bubble sort. This code. This much. Complexity is O raised to power n square. See here, the worst case and average case time complexity of O raised to power n square, where n is number of elements in the array, in our array. So this time complexity is very bad. It is not which we prefer. So bubble sort algorithm is not good for large data sets. It is not feasible for it. Small data sets, it's good and it is the simplest algorithm possible. So let's get back to our code. So here what happens is first we have this array, right? In this we have 8 elements. So this for loop will go from 0 to n minus 0 to 7 because our array starts from 0, so it will go to 7 because we have 8 elements. So got it? So it will go till this for loop will go till 7. Then in this I have wrote that pass, and see this pass you can see 1 2 3 4, it will be printed by that pass 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many passes will be there? 7 passes. So after each pass in again we have another one which will trace all the elements of the array. So what happens is, so this first I that is there, that is for every time for first loop when it is I equal to 0, what will happen? We'll trace the whole array. But when we'll go second time, we'll go from 1 to 7. Get it? Then in third, we'll go from 17 to 19, means 3 to 7. Means every time it will decrease, decrease, decrease. And in the last, we'll just compare the last ones. And every iteration, what is happening is, see, after pass 1, we can see that earlier the array 90 we know is the largest. So after pass 1 means after the loop has एक बार loop घूम गया, iteration is done, then we will get 90 at its position that we wanted at the last, because in bubble sort we do increasing order. You want our array in increasing order, that's why increasing order like this. So 90 commits coming, and 90 has commits which proper position which we want. Then after pass 2, 88 will come, then 64 will come. So like this swapping happens, and at the end we will get our last element, that is 11 in its proper position. 11. See, you get it? Got it? It's very easy. Then, how is this actually happening? If you want to then see this for loop, second for loop very properly. See, in this, what is happening? Int ARR equal to int j equal to 0. So, we are here basically, where we are on 34. ARR of j. J is at 0. So, we are comparing this 34 with j plus 1, which is 1. So, at 1st position, who is there? 22. So, we are comparing 34 with 20. So, is 34 greater than 22? Yes. So, it will go inside this if, and we will swap this number. This is the swap logic where we have one temporary number in which we store the value of value 34, and then we then 22 takes place of 34, means it comes on the first position, and then the temporary value that we had stored in which there was the value 34, then that is given to j plus 1, which is 1. On 1, what will come now? 34, because we're swapping those two positions. 34 will come in place of 22 and 22 will come in place of 34. See, this is the first swap that is happening. So like this, then then we do j plus plus, and after that what happens? Then this. Now where is our j? J plus plus ho gaya. So j is at 1 position, means it is at 22, and then j plus 1 means we are at 2. So now we are comparing 22 and 17. So your 22 is also greater than 7. Then again swapping will happen. Get it? After that, we have 17 and 11. J plus plus ho gaya. Then 17 is greater than 11. Yes. So again swapping will happen. 11 will come here and 17 will come at the 0, 1, 2, 3 third position, and 11 will come at second position. And again j plus plus. Then we'll compare this 11 with 64. Is 11 greater than 64? No. So yeah, it doesn't go in this if, and directly j plus plus happens. Heading. Now j is at 64. Get it? So 64 and 90. Now 64 is less than 90. So here swapping will happen. No, because it is less. J plus plus. Now 90 and 88. So 90 is greater than 88. So swapping will happen. So 88 will come in place of 90. So now where is our j? J is at 6th position. Again we do j plus plus. Then j is at 6th position, that is 88. So now 88 is compared with, now 88 to aage yahan pe, so here is 90. Who is at 6th position of the array? It is 90. So now this 90 is compared with 65. बस swapping हो गया था इससे पहले. So 90 and 65. 90 is greater than 65. That's why again we swap this. So at the end we get 90. At the end of the array, at 7th position we get 90, and then we have 65. Before it we have 65. So our array after the first pass means this whole for loop, j wala for loop is executed. Then our pass 1 is completed and we get this array, pass 1, we get 90 at its position, means the highest element in the array, which it will come at the right end. So we got right 90. Now, what will happen in pass 2? I have become plus plus. So now we will start our array from, 1, 0, 1, because, get it? So after the pass 2, we will get 88 at its highest position, because we have already compared with the whole array. Na? So now in the second pass, we will come from 1. Then the third pass, the I will be at 2, means it will be at 70, and we'll compare all others. Okay. This is the simple logic of bubble sort, and I hope you have understood it in the best way possible. If you have any doubts related to it, you can comment below and let me know. Also, if you want this code that I have written, then comment below and I will soon make a Git repository for it, and you can copy and paste and see it yourself how it works. And you can even make some changes if you want. See you in the next video. Till then, happy coding and bye-bye.